reason why we're doing this paper is because many of us will have witnessed traditional manufacturing is no longer sufficient. We think this is a golden opportunity for ASEAN manufacturers. We estimated a $1 trillion manufacturing growth opportunity by 2027, and ASEAN manufacturers are well positioned to capture a share of that growth.
So regenerative manufacturing essentially is a holistic approach to manufacturing that delivers a profitable, resilient, and sustainable business. And is principally led by product design, embedded with sustainability, and enabled by AI solutions. It takes a holistic view across the entire value chain of the product, from product design to supply chain